This recipe surprised everyone. Make this dinner easy and delicious. For this recipe, we will be cutting a medium onion into cubes. In this way, put a drizzle of olive oil in a frying pan. Add the onion and give it a light sauté. About that, we're going to be cutting a green pepper into cubes. You can also add red peppers. Yellow is your preference. Add and sauté very well. People are already commenting from which city you are watching us, and I will send a super special hug to each of you. I will now be cutting a tomato into cubes. Like this. Adding to the frying pan and putting a spoon of tomato sauce. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of black pepper. And we will be mixing all these ingredients very well. Add 100 ml of water. Mix again. Cover and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Now that it's cooked, I'll be breaking 200 grams of instant noodles. Adding to the pan, adding a little more water. Covering and letting it cook. I will add 2 eggs in a container. Hit very well. Now that the pasta is cooked, we will be mixing it right. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Abigail from Miami. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I will now add the egg mix again. Add grated mozzarella cheese, parsley, and chives to taste. Cover and let the cheese melt. Our recipe is ready, and have you guys seen it? It's super easy to make, and I promise you it's super delicious. Those of you who do will not regret it. So if you liked it, share it and see you next time. Goodbye.